Welcome to a small glimpse into the world of Tracker. In this video, we will show you just a taste of the power of Tracker as we take a look at some of its rule-based decision-making. Here, we have an application developed with CIMPLICITY HMI SCADA and Tracker. On our first display in our body shop subsystem, we have a feed of orders from MES queued up to be sequenced based on Tracker sequencing rules. Specifically, we will be watching the rules configured for the number of doors attribute. You can see here we want to determine the sequence keeping the percentage of 4 doors between 25 and 35, 3 doors between 40 and 50, and 5 doors between 5 and 15%. Now notice those percentages are maintained with each decision made. Now say we want to change these percentages on the fly. We've designed our display so this can be done right in screen. I'll change 3 doors to 30 and 40 and 5 doors to 20 and 30. Notice how the decision-making is adjusted to account for these changes to the rules. Now we can jump over to the paint shop subsystem where our components will be moving from the body shop. This display is a representation of this part of the plant broken up into areas or regions. We can track our components through the plant in this way and show movement in real time in our displays. We can even launch built-in tools to get a deeper view of our component data, like with our Production Tracker UI. On this display, we can show another type of rule-based decision-making using blocking rules. We can set up rules to choose items in blocks, for example on color. Here, we are blocking car body components into groups of 3 of the same color. The next starting location in this example is 3, so the next one in will be black. And then we'll move on to a group of 3 blue cars, then green, and so on. Now say we have a need to force a red car to come into the paint booth a little sooner than the rule dictates. We can change the start location on the fly, and now the next one in will be red. It can be as flexible as you require. This was just a brief look into Tracker and the power of its decision-making engine. There is so much more available to you to accelerate your time to market and improve your production performance. Thank you for taking the time to check out this video.